Hey, to set up alarm clock on your Google Pixel 7 Pro, you have to open the clock application. Next, you have to click right here to the alarm. And then we've got the two presets, so we can activate this one, for example. And if you want to customize, click on this arrow. First of all, we can set the repeat. So in my case, I'm gonna turn it on only on the Friday. And here we can set the hours, minutes, select between AM and PM, click OK to confirm. And here we've got also other additional options, like for example, we can turn on or off vibrations. We can also get the weather forecast if you want. There's also option to change the ringtone of this alarm. So when you tap right here, you can simply select You can also record your own by tapping right here, and you can also add the new one from the folder of your phone. So if you have your favorite song, you can locate it by going to the storage of your device. And when you go back, just like that, you can just click in this place, and as you can see, it's activated. You can turn it on and off whenever you want. If you want to get rid of any of these alarms, you have to click on this alarm right here and then tap delete. There we go. That's all. Bye bye.